If you're using CLI-based coding agents like Claude Code or Codex or Antigravity or Cursor Agent or whatever else it might be, you have to have this feature. This is the entire reason I built Atrium to begin with. So I have 3 agents running right now. They're all working on stuff, right? What if my computer crashes? What if I quit? Let's quit it. What happens? No other tool does this right now. I'm going to start Atrium back up. It's loading 37 workspaces. It'll take a quick second to load them all up. It's restoring all of them. All 37. If there are running agents in them, watch what happens. No other tool does this right now. Resumes your session automatically. Not only does it resume your session automatically, but once they come up, watch what else I can do. Look at that. Session's resumed. Sessions all resumed. All of them. All brought back up. Right? Cool. But they're all interrupted. So I got to start them back up. I could go back into them and give them a little nudge, but why? Atrium does it for me. Boom. Your last turn was interrupted. Please continue. Do it again. Do it again. Boom. All 3 of my agents running again as if nothing happened. Crash, restart, system update, quit, whatever. Come back Monday. It's all there. Nothing lost. No overhead of trying to find and resume your sessions. Nothing. Everything comes back. This is why I built Atrium, and it's yeah, I rely on this so heavily every day. Download it now. Getatrium.dev.